Hey there, energy enthusiasts! Welcome back to Happy Fasting Fun. I'm Kate, and today we're embarking on an illuminating journey to separate fact from fiction, exploring the dynamic relationship between intermittent fasting and energy levels. Are you curious if fasting drains your energy or fuels it? Join me as we debunk myths and uncover the realities surrounding this intriguing topic, the energy conundrum. Before we dive into the depths, let's address the energy elephant in the room. Intermittent fasting has sparked debates about its impact on our energy reserves. Some claim it's an energy boost, while others fear it's an energy drain. Let's navigate this terrain with an open mind and a thirst for truth. The science behind energy. Now let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the science of energy. Energy comes from the food we eat, providing our cells with the fuel they need to function. Intermittent fasting challenges our conventional eating patterns, potentially influencing how our body generates and utilizes energy. Dispelling the myth of constant fatigue. Contrary to the notion of constant fatigue, intermittent fasting might not necessarily lead to perpetual tiredness. Some individuals experience increased energy levels during fasting periods, thanks to stabilized blood sugar levels and enhanced fat utilization for energy. Listening to your body's cues. Your body, a remarkable compass, communicates its needs. Feeling fatigued during fasting might signal dehydration or a lack of essential nutrients. Nourishing your body adequately during eating windows can help maintain your energy equilibrium. A boost in mental clarity. Surprisingly, intermittent fasting could be your ticket to mental clarity. Fasting triggers the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports cognitive function and enhances your focus and alertness. Timing matters. The timing of your fasting can impact your energy levels. Experimenting with different fasting windows, such as adjusting them to align with your natural energy peaks, can help you find your energy sweet spot. Staying hydrated and nourished, hydration and nourishment remain non-negotiable. Proper water intake and balanced nutrition during eating windows can significantly influence your energy levels during fasting periods. As we conclude this myth-busting expedition, remember that energy levels are highly individual. While some experience an energy boost, others might feel a temporary adjustment phase. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and nourish yourself mindfully. If this exploration ignited your curiosity, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Embrace the potential of intermittent fasting to enhance your energy journey. May your energy be vibrant and your curiosity boundless. Until we meet again, happy fasting, and may your energy levels reach new heights.